Alright, just gonna do a quick video here. Do have the Raptor all clean and shiny, which is nice, but reason for the video was a couple people were asking about the base non-carbon fiber interior on my 22 F-150 Raptor, so I'll give you a quick look here. Nice short video. So I have the 800A trim package, which is the lower one on our Raptor, so I don't think carbon fiber was even an option on this trim, but on the carbon package that would be carbon fiber. Let's see what else. I think the console lid down here would be carbon fiber, as well as the glove box lid. So still a good looking interior. I think the carbon looks good as well, but just wanted to give you a shot of what the 800A package looks like. And also I suppose an 801A without the carbon package would be about the same here. So for a couple people that asked, here's a quick video giving you a look at it. Got any other questions? Certainly let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.